If you're having issues loading the Instagram Explore page, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now in these situations, the first thing that you can immediately do is close out or force close the application by removing the Instagram app from the recent app list and try to see if this first step fixes the issue. If this first step alone does not fix the issue, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the app cache. So just tap and hold the application, head over to this eye icon, head over to storage, and right here you'd be able to see the option called clear data. You can just tap on the clear all data option. This will do two things. It will remove all of the corrupted files, as well as it will log you out of your account. So you'll need to log in back, and once you've done this step, try to see if now the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then what you can also try out is try to uninstall Instagram from your device and then again re-download it. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues. This is likely due to Instagram's server status. So Instagram might be down right now. So you need to check out after a few hours and try to see if the Explore page loads. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.